Here is how you create a banner image inside of Etsy using Canva, where there's a free version of Canva. Now, you can do a carousel. If you have Etsy Plus, which is like $10 extra a month, you can do carousel images and individually pop these in like this. Or you can create your own for free in Canva. So that's what I'm gonna show you today, is how to do that in Canva. So we would go to canva.com. Right here, we would do create a new design. So we would do custom size here. The image size for your banner is 1200 by 300. So we would do that. Whoops, I guess it was already in here. 1200 by 300, create new design. And this is gonna give us our banner size. So we can upload our own listing photos. Your banner image should showcase your best-selling items, your new items, or your holiday or seasonal items. Like this one showcases some of their best items. You can put your brand, you can put your name in here, but you don't have to. Your name's right here. So this is valuable real estate. So you're better off using it for your listings, since it's the first thing that people see when they come to your shop. So I'm gonna use sample pictures here because I don't have any listings to put up in here, but we're gonna pretend that we sell hats. So we're gonna pop in some hat pictures here just so you guys can see. I already have some pulled up to make it easier, and we can crop and edit these. So this one needs to be cropped a little bit. You can just pull the sides in and crop it. So pretty easy to use. Move that over. Let's just see here. We got more hat pictures here. All right, make this a little bigger, and you can position this, send this to back. Boom. See how it overlaps now. And we're gonna do one more picture here. And we're gonna, again, position this, send it to back, or I could have cropped it, whatever you wanna do. This one needs cropped a little more. So simple as that. That is a nice banner image showcasing some of my hats, not my hats for real. Now, for instance, if you wanna give it like a border image, like here, has like a little white border, you can do cool things like that too. You would just add a square. We would change it to white, and then we kind of put it over here, kind of drag it. Everything's drag and drop. It's really easy to use. You drag it to the appropriate width that we want. All right, we got it in there, and then we could duplicate it. So you would just select it here, hit the duplicate, so we know it's the same size. Put that there. Put that there, and a lot of times it pops up a grid, so you make sure everything's in the right spacing. And there we go. There is our banner image. You can play with it. The other cool thing that you can do in the paid version of this is, so see how dark the background is on this? We do edit image, background remover. We can be like, boom, there is that where I moved the background. So now it's on a white background. You can do this with your listing photos. White backgrounds are good, makes the item pop. Say if I wanted to make this pop a little bit more, I can give it a shadow. So right here's a shadow. We can do a glow or a drop shadow. And we can adjust the shadow to make it more natural. Obviously this needs to be cropped and edited more, but you can adjust the size of the shadow. See, it's more or less. Just to give it kind of some depth. I like to give some of the listing photos a shadow. And then you basically just hit share, and you basically download it, hit download, and you can do PNG or JPEG. Usually like JPEG is pretty much accepted everywhere. It'll download, and then you just upload it inside your Etsy shop. You can change this. You see, it took me however long it took me. You can do it super fast, super quick, change out your banner, keep things fresh for new people coming to your shop, change it out for bestsellers, holiday items, seasonal items. But that is how you do your banner image in Canva. Very easy, very simple.